300 years of Atlantic history. And you're stuck skimming a plaque before the group moves on. A guide herding you past Pier 21 in 10 minutes, rushing the waterfront, no time to actually feel the story of the city. Uvamai's Halifax self-guided audio tour puts the whole city in your hands. Your access link lands straight in your inbox with professional narration and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group, no fixed schedule, just Halifax at your pace for up to 6 days. Stand inside the star-shaped walls of the Halifax Citadel, where cannon fire once guarded the harbor. Walk the Halifax Waterfront Boardwalk, one of the longest in the world. Step into the Canadian Museum of Immigration at Pier 21, where 1 million newcomers first set foot in Canada. Then wander the Victorian paths of the Halifax Public Gardens and hear the story behind the Old Town Clock. 14 stops. Your Halifax. Your story. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Halifax, not just photograph it. Real stories. Real freedom. Real discovery. $6. 14 Halifax landmarks. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.